Have you ever wondered what happens when talent meets arrogance? Gather round and let me tell you the dark tale of Marsyas, a satyr known for his unmatched skill with the aulos, a double-reeded instrument. His music was so enchanting that it could charm even the stones. One fateful day, Marsyas stumbled upon an abandoned flute, said to be created by Athena herself. Captivated by the instrument's beauty, he played it with fervor, mastering its melodies and challenging the gods. He boasted he could outplay Apollo, the god of music. Caught in the grip of his ambition, Marsyas declared a contest, believing his artistry could rival divine talent. The stakes? The winner would do as they pleased with the loser. In a dramatic showdown, the competition began, drawing a crowd of deities. Marsyas played with passion, but Apollo's lyre sang with celestial harmony. Defeated, Marsyas faced Apollo's wrath. The god, furious at the satyr's hubris, decided on a dreadful punishment. He flayed Marsyas alive. As his skin was peeled away, the forest echoed with his cries, a haunting reminder of the consequences of pride. Thus, the tale of Marsyas serves as a chilling reminder of the balance between ambition and humility.